sandwich bread. I'm gonna show you how to make some easy, fluffy, white sandwich bread. It's delicious, and did I say it's easy? Because it is, so let me show you how to make it. First thing you need to do is get your active dry yeast and get it active. Here I've got 2 tablespoons of warm water, and to that warm water, I'm gonna add about 1 heaping teaspoon of active dry yeast. I'm just gonna mix it up. Now that's mixed together, I'm just gonna set that aside, and in the meantime, I'm gonna get a large bowl, and I'm gonna add in 1 cup of warm whole milk. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add a half a tablespoon of shortening. Just mix it up until that shortening is melted into the milk. Sift in 1 cup of flour. It's just all-purpose flour. Mix it up until it's all combined. And when that's all mixed up, it should be like the consistency of a thick pancake batter. Now you're gonna add in your yeast. Mix it up again. And now the yeast is all mixed in, I'm gonna add in 2 more cups of all-purpose flour. Mix it up until it becomes a moderately stiff dough. And when it's mixed up enough, you'll see that it comes together like a dough ball. That's exactly what you're looking for. And once it does, you're just gonna lightly flour your work surface and turn out your dough. Now just knead it up for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and satiny. You can probably do this in a stand mixer too. And after 10 minutes of kneading, you can see that the dough is smooth. Now I'm just gonna shape it into a big dough ball. And then I'm gonna get the bowl that I mixed it all up in. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, just get the sides oiled up. And then I'm just gonna put my dough ball in there, turn it over just to coat all sides. Cover it and let it rest to double in size for about an hour and a half. And after an hour and a half, it has definitely doubled in size. Now you just punch it down to release that extra air. Cover it back up and let it rest for another 45 minutes. And after 45 more minutes, you can tell it's doubled in size again. Now I'm just gonna shape it into a loaf. So I'm gonna turn it out, lightly flour it. And then I'm gonna roll it out into a long rectangle. And now that I have that rolled out, I'm gonna just go ahead and roll it up like a jelly roll. And I'm gonna push it down and pinch the seams every roll. So there's a roll, I'm just gonna pinch it like this. So roll it again, seal it up. Roll it, seal it. Just seal off the edges by kind of crimping the edges and then folding in the edges. Stick it in a loaf pan that's lightly greased. Cover it again and let it rise and double in size for another hour. It's been another hour of proofing and this is how it looks. It's doubled in size. Now bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And this is how it looks after it's baked. It smells amazing in here. Now I'm just gonna turn it out. Ooh. Just like that. Now allow it to cool before you slice it. Brush the top with some butter. I'm just gonna do it like this. If you haven't, you should. Everything's better with butter. Okay, I can't wait. And this is how it looks. It smells great. And just like that, you have homemade sandwich bread.